Hello children, Rija ma'am here. In the last video, we have discussed about the question pattern of our English language portion for class 2 for our unit test. In today's video, I will discuss the rest of the chapters and their question patterns. Before that, take a look at the syllabus. The alphabets, vowels and consonants, number 1. Number 2, words. Number 3, alphabetical order. Chapter number 20, articles, a and the. Chapter number 4, naming words. Chapter number 5, proper and common nouns. Chapter number 6, singular and plural nouns. This is your syllabus for unit test 1. Now, from the chapter naming words, what can be the question of your unit test? You can get group of words from that. You will have to pick out the name of any persons, any place, any things or animals. You will get sentences. From that sentences, you will have to write you will have to pick out the words that is instructed, that naming words you will have to pick out and you will have to write in your answers. Next is proper noun and common nouns. Here also you can get a list of words where common noun and proper nouns will be there. You will have to pick up the common nouns or proper nouns, whichever will be in your question paper. Also, you can get sentence. From that sentence you can pick out, or you can pick out the word of common noun or proper noun, whatever will be there in your question. So first one is in list of words from, and second one is from the sentence you will have to identify. Next is singular and plural nouns. Here in page number 14 and page number 15 of this chapter you will have to read, which contains singular words into plural by adding s, by adding es, by replacing y with ies, by changing the vowels, and by replacing f or fe with ves. So you will have to learn page 14, page 15 thoroughly. You will get questions from there. Next is articles. We have done this chapter. Indefinite articles and definite articles you will have to fill in the blanks. You will get a sentence and there will be a blank. You will have to fill up that blank with the article, or definite article or indefinite article, whichever will be the question. So this is your question pattern. You will get question like this. The question will be very easy, and also you will have to answer the questions. Which questions will be there? Few questions will be there, like how many vowels are there in this word, how many vowels consonants are there in this word. If this type of questions are there, you will have to write it in spelling. Suppose 5 vowels are there in any word, you will have to write FIVE, not number 5. You will have to write FIVE, 5, not number 5. Okay? And suppose if in any word same vowels have repeated twice, you will have to count that as a vowel also. In the word aeroplane, suppose in the word aeroplane there is one vowel A in the starting, and also PLA. Two A's are there. So you will have to count that A as 2 vowels, not one vowel. Okay, so this is your question pattern. You will have to answer them, and best of luck to everyone. If you have any problem, please follow the instruction. If you cannot see the slides properly, increase the resolution of your device. Still, if you cannot see, follow the instructions that are given. All the questions, all the patterns are discussed. The syllabus is also discussed. So accordingly, follow that instruction, follow the syllabus. Best of luck, children. Goodbye. Thank you.